Hi guys, my name's Danielle Wilson and this is the video assignment for UH 2010 Games and Play of the 21st Century. And for this assignment we had to choose to make a video of a game, and the choice that I chose was to just go over a board game. So I'll be going over the game of categories. So it's similar to Scattergories, but it kind of has a different twist to it. So this game is licensed by Hasbro, and it's manufactured and distributed by the Winning Moves Games. And they claim it to be the fast-thinking categories game. And it says if you love Scattergories, you've got to try Categories. And I actually really like the boxing of it. It's very bright, and I like that they kept the same logo that they've always had for Scattergories, and they transferred it to this newer version. And at the bottom in the corner it says it's a family game and you have to be 12 or older to play it. It takes about 25 to 35 minutes, and I feel like it would be depending on how many rounds you play each game. And then you can have 2 to 4 players. I personally think you can have more than that just because it's a family game. It'd be more fun to interact with others. So the game doesn't actually come with a sheet of directions. It's on the back, which I really like because in my family we usually just lose the directions sheet and have to just go off memory on how to play it. So I will now open the game and see what we have. Okay, so the game comes with a timer that you use for each round, and it comes with many, I think it says on here how many cards it comes with exactly, but it comes with the word and the category that you have to use. And then it comes with several sheets for the players to use. It says letter and then word. I would write like clockwork down. And then this is what you fill out for the game when the timer starts. And then it also comes with a plastic card base. Stick the category in so everybody can see it. Each round starts with a word and a phrase, for instance, and the card says the word, and then it says what you have to list based off of that word. So for example, this one says men and boys, so you'd write men and boys down the letter aisle. And then the category is boys' names. So for example, M would be Mike, E would be Elijah, N would be Nick, A would be Andrew, N would be Noah, D would be Daniel, B would be Brad, O would be Owen, Y would be Jan, and S would be Stephen. That's just for example. And that's how each round works. You just write down your word or your category and then write each word according to that category. Now I have my guests with me, and we're going to be doing just one round for an example on how to play the game. So here's the timer, and you'll be able to see when the time runs out. And we've got our score player cards. And so we're going to randomly select one. We've got our pile here, and we're just going to turn it over. And we'll show you guys, write it down, and then start the timer. So it's the word or the letters that we're going to write down is good start. Oops. So good start, and then I've written down good start down the column. And then the category is breakfast items. So based off of these letters, we have to think of breakfast items that start with each of these letters. And so I'll set that there. It's going to be backwards because I have my camera turned backwards. And go. Alright, time's up. Okay, so now we go through our answers, and if we have the same answer for one of the letters, that doesn't count for either of us. But if we have a different answer, then we get a point. And so, like the direction said, if we're just going to do one round, but once someone hits 25 points, that's when the game is over. So for G, I put grapes.
Put granola.
Okay, so we both each get 1 point. For O, I put orange juice.
Put omelet.
Ooh, good. And the other O, I put oatmeal.
Didn't get one for that.
Didn't get one. Okay. For D, I put donuts.
Didn't put one for that.
For S, I put syrup.
I put sandwich. Is that a breakfast? You can have breakfast sandwiches.
Yeah, that's B. That'd be breakfast sandwiches.
You can have a sandwich for breakfast.
Okay, that's fine. We'll count it.
Yay.
For T, I put tomato juice. Do you think tomato juice is... People have tomato juice for breakfast.
I've never had tomato juice for breakfast.
Well...
You can have it, since I got sandwich.
Okay. You don't get any. You didn't put anything. For A, I put apple juice.
Avocado.
Okay. R?
Raisins.
Raspberries.
That was a close one. Tuna.
Tuna's not a breakfast food. It's not.
That was being
I put
nice.
tea.
That was being nice to you.
Tea.
Okay.
Okay, so I got a point for each one. We didn't even have the same, and
That's
Clay
good.
didn't put answers for any, so that means that he doesn't get any points. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5.
Alright, so that's just an example of how to play the game. And I think that about wraps it up. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video assignment, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you eventually buy this game. It's actually really fun.